How can surfaces be precisely examined to identify problems in connection processes during the manufacturing of assemblies and power modules? In the production of assemblies and power modules, details often determine the quality of connection processes and, with it, the reliability of the entire product. Even subtle residues, tiny particles, or minimal impairments of surfaces at material interfaces can lead to serious issues such as poor adhesion, joining problems, or even premature failures. Without precise analysis, the root causes remain hidden. This is exactly where SEM EDX analysis comes into play. This analysis makes surface defects and contaminants visible and provides you with a clear basis for decision-making. Using scanning electron microscopy, SEM, we capture surface structures at the highest resolution, while energy dispersive X-ray spectroscopy, EDX, precisely determines the chemical composition. Your advantage: surface properties, defects, and failures are identified and analyzed at the microscopic level. We compile the analysis results in a detailed technical report, including a sound interpretation by our experts. This enables you to take targeted action and increase the lifetime of your assemblies and power modules. Contact us to learn how we can help you sustainably optimize your connection processes.